Hello there, it's me, Lamer Gamer. Hope you're all doing well. Now today's video is a buying, unboxing and review of some wireless earbuds. Now I know what you're thinking, there's like the Razer Hammerheads, there's the HyperX Cloud Buds, I think they're called. However, there's one thing that they don't do that my SteelSeries Arctis Wireless Pro headset does do very well, which is that you can hot swap the batteries while streaming. So for instance, if I needed to, if my batteries in my headset died, I can pull that out, take the battery out there, which is being charged up by the sort of deck, I guess they call it, on the desk, and I can, within a couple of seconds, I'll have replaced my battery and I'll be back ready to go. These other wireless gaming headset or earpods do not do that. Now I understand that there is a new type of earbud out there that actually has an interchangeable battery that you can change on the fly. Meanwhile, you can charge the separate like backup battery whilst you game and stream. So that's going to be what we're going to look at. And those earpods, I keep calling them earpods for some strange reason, so I'm sorry in advance, which are earbuds made by a company called Power Quake. Yeah, and we are now going to go straight to their website and go through the ordering process. Here we go. Okay, so we are now on pqearbuds.com, which shows the different sort of colors you can get for them. Tells you a bit more about them. There you go. You can see the battery sort of clip-on technique, I guess is what we're going to call it. Talks about the drivers and stuff like that. Hassle-free pairing, PQ detailed design. Doesn't look like there's an EQ on here, but yeah, there's a few more bits and bobs about it here. There's a little video that you can get on YouTube, which is great. There's a few little blogs as well. Okay, so we know we're going to buy these anyway. So PQ is on the go. Don't know what that means. Okay, so we've clicked on that and we've gone straight into the purchase page. So we can buy them in blue, deep grey, gold, red, black old version that doesn't actually show us a picture, and white old version that doesn't show us a picture either. Okay, it's interesting that the old versions are more expensive than the newer versions. I don't know why that is, goodness knows, but we're gonna go for, I reckon, a nice deep space grey or deep grey, and looks like they've got some nice white earpods as well to go with it, which is cool. There's a bit more information about it. Someone's already done an unboxing video. Damn you. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna order them then. So it looks like all we have to do now is press buy with PayPal. I can get them for $59.99. Don't know what that is in UK, but we'll press pay with PayPal and we'll go for it that way. So yeah, now we've ordered those earbuds or earpods or earbuds. I'm gonna call them earbuds. I swear to goodness crikey lordy that they are earbuds. I now just have to wait for them to arrive. So fast forward to delivery, go! Anytime now. Oh yeah. Okay, it's been a week or so and the earbuds have arrived. So what I'm going to do now is just take you through a quick unboxing and then we'll come back here and we'll go through the pairing motions, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, we've already unboxed these, so I'm just going to take them back out the box. So just take them out. There's the little manual, and then there is the PQ earbuds. Very cool little case, by the way. Once again, inside the box, we've got this little foam protector. We've got, if I can squeeze them out, different size like earbuds, I guess. And we've also got a USB to USB-C charger cable, which is great. And then we've also got this random spare plastic thing. I'm not too sure what this is for. Maybe this is for holding batteries. I don't know if the batteries are big enough to fit in it. But yeah, okay. Oh, we've actually got, there's actually 2 of them. So maybe it's for separating out the ear silicone bits? I don't know. Anyway, so first things first, I'm going to say is a really nice case. I think it's metal. I want to say it's metal. Feels metal. We've also got the manual that's here that we'll go through for the pairing sort of options. Then we're going to look at the case. So as you can see now, I've just opened it and all these lights have just come up on the front. It's pretty cool to show that the batteries and the earbuds are charged. So yeah, to open this, we'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see. And we'll open it. It's quite a nice magnetic seal. So everything here is magnetic, which I really like. And there we go. First thing I've just noticed is that these are black, and if I remember when I ordered them, they were going to come as white. So it looks like they've got some nice white earpods as well. So that's interesting. It shouldn't matter too much considering I stream with a black hat on, so that's interesting. Yeah, as we open it up, we can see inside of this that we have an L, a B1, a B2, and an R as across there. So I'm guessing that's left, right, and battery 1, battery 2, as you can see there. So I've just taken them out of the box. Ooh. That's weird. So I've just plugged these in and instantly I can hear that there's like noise cancelling. Well, I don't know if it's noise cancelling or they're just a very good fit, but I'm very aware that I can't really hear much around me, which is cool. And they don't really protrude out too much either, as you can see sort of here. I'm going to connect them to my PC. Unfortunately, my PC doesn't have Bluetooth built in. One thing I would say that would be a really good benefit for these earbuds is them to have some form of little Bluetooth dongle in them, or maybe a way of going from USB-C directly to the PC so that this is like your Bluetooth receiver dongle. That would be really cool. If it can do that, I'm sorry, I don't know. It doesn't say anything about it in the instructions, but if it does, that would be a really good selling point there. So yeah, we're going to connect to the PC now. So here we go. So now we are connected in our on our Bluetooth device. You can see it there. The Y28 is what we're looking for, and there it is there, just in case you can't see it. It says on the top. Okay, so what we've done now to test out the music functionality and the sound quality of these earbuds, we have come to Bass Rebels, which are my go-to supplier of any music that is sort of DMCA and copyright free, and they're basically like an alternative to things like Stream Beats. So yeah, please check them out if you feel like checking them out. I'm going to press play on this one, and we're going to see what it sounds like. Okay, I'm going to turn it up a little bit, which is really cool. So I'm now going to just turn the music down. So the music sounds really good. I don't really hear too much of a difference. So now we're going to do a quick test with the music now. I'm just going to turn it up slightly. So if I bring up the earbud so you can see what I'm doing, and I press it twice, that should skip me on the next track, even though it's about to finish. Hang on. Okay, skip to the next track. 1, 2. That paused it. So 2 taps is pause, maybe 3 taps is skip. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I only picked up 2 taps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, gotta press it a little bit quicker. So if I press 2 taps on my left ear, let me just take the hat off. There's the hair. Then I'm gonna press 2 here. 1, 2. Paused it. 3 is back a track or to the start of the track. And then twice. Play. There we go. So if I hold down the left one, is that going to reduce the volume? Yeah, that's turned the volume down for me. And if I hold it down, the right. The volume gets louder and louder until it goes ba-dum dum, and that's that. Okay, that's really cool. Nice. Okay, that was pretty cool. So then we've got 2 dead batteries. I'm guessing that's because it's literally just come straight out of the box. So what we're going to do now is we're going to charge them up. So there's the battery charger. I don't know if you can see that very well, but let's see how well this clips in. So there's that. Oh, there we go, straight in. And then we're going to do the other one. There we go. And then we close it. I think the charge case actually holds charge because right now it's got 2 solid lights. And according to the instruction manual, when a battery is full, it will go out and no longer light up. Okay. So we now have to wait for these lights to turn off, which is pretty cool. So I'll just leave that there. Yeah, what I'll do now is I'll make a call and see what my wife thinks of the microphone. So we'll find out now. You alright? How's it going? Okay, how does my microphone sound to you, by the way? My microphone sounds awful. You can barely hear what I'm saying. I'm muffled and it sounds like I'm in the toilet. Okay, that's good to know. Thank you for helping me on that review, my dear. I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye. Love you. Bye. So there we are. We have the verdict from Killer Queen herself. She didn't. This was a complete blind test. She didn't even know I was going to call her. But she said the microphone sounds like I'm muffled and in the toilet. The microphones, I understand, are in here, so it might have something to do with me wearing a hat. But I wouldn't be using these earbuds for mic work anyway. I'd be using my Yeti because that is my beast. But yeah, okay. I think it's time for us to do a quick wrap up and a summary of this. So here we go. So the Power Quake earbuds. What do I think of them? Well, first of all, for the price, which is around about $60, I don't think you can really go wrong. Obviously, there's going to be a little bit of a compromise on the sound quality, especially with the microphone, as you could see with Killer Queen. Said it sounded like I was in the toilet, so that's obviously something they're probably going to need to look at in the future. I really like the idea of being able to hot swap your batteries without having to like take earbuds out, leave them charging. That's a really cool, innovative feature. I haven't seen on many, if not any, other earpods, so this is a really cool idea. I was a bit confused why I ended up with black earpods, whereas the picture actually showed white, so that was strange. I really like the case. I like the fact that it's got all these little indicators on it. It feels like it's going to protect your stuff, which is nice. I like the use of magnets. Everything feels like it locks in place. Yeah, so it's a really good system. The points to be improved on for this are, so I think it would be good if this could actually act as your Bluetooth dongle stroke interface, whether that's by plugging in through the USB port here straight into your PC or not. I don't think that is what it can do. If it can, then I'm sorry and I got that wrong, but that would be a really great feature to have rather than buying like a third-party proprietary USB Bluetooth dongle. Alright, so I've just lost one earbud as well whilst talking. So it looks like the charge out of the box isn't very good, which is fair enough. You don't know how long they've been charged for or whatever. So I'm going to leave these charging overnight and then try them on stream tomorrow. So we'll see how long they last for. It would be nice if the microphone was better. According to Killer Queen, again, it sounded like I was in an echoey toilet. So it would be good if they could sort that out and make that a little bit more clear. And that would really set these apart from a lot of other systems. But apart from that, like I said, for the price, less than $100 or £100, you can't really go wrong. So yeah, if you do want to look at these in more detail, then please feel free to drop into my Discord or ask me questions below. I've put a link to their website below as well. But yeah, on the whole, the Power Quake earbuds are a winner for me, and I'll probably be using them to stream going forward. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you know every time I post a new video. I also stream regularly over on Twitch, so you can find me over there. But in the meantime, you take care, and I'll see you online. Cheers.